Hey, it's EZVIV here with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the 4K 15 action camera from EZVIV. There are a lot of options out there regarding action cameras. It depends on what kind of videos you're making, you might need one. Today I decided to take a look at this action camera from EZVIV because it is very affordable. If you're starting to make videos either for fun or studying YouTube and you're studying on a budget, this one is definitely for you. It also can be used as a dash cam. Quality image is decent. It does film from 720p 120 frames per second to 4K 15 frames per second. Let's check what's included in the box. First, we have the camera with a waterproof case. This is a mounting frame. This is a pivot arm. We have two adhesive mounts, one curved, one flat. Next, we have a waterproof touchscreen for the waterproof case. This is a vertical release buckle. You can use it with the adhesive mount. This is a cap to protect the lens. Next is the mounting frame for gimbal and some thumb screws. And lastly, we have the remote control. It can be used to record and to take photo. It also comes with a USB cable to charge the battery and to transfer files directly from the camera. The camera has a 2-inch touchscreen display. Power button and a setting button on the right side and a shutter button on the top. In the bottom, you have the battery. On the left side, it has an HDMI port, a micro USB port, and a micro SD card slot. After turning on the camera, you can swipe up to access the video settings. You can record in two formats, either NTSC or PAL. As I mentioned earlier, it has a resolution from 720p 120 frames per second to 4K 15 frames per second. You can access the general settings either by swapping from the right or by pressing the settings button on the right side. There are different settings such as orientation, driver mode, and many others. In the driver mode, every time the camera stops moving, it stops recording. For example, when you're using it as a dash cam and you stopped at a light, after a few seconds the camera stops recording, then starts recording once you start moving again. Personally, I don't like the driver mode. I prefer when the camera is recording at all times, so you can capture everything that's happening. There's an app that can be used with the camera. It's called EZVIV Sports. According to EZVIV, you can view, edit, and share videos and pictures. It's not the best. I've tried it several times. It does not work well. The delay from the camera to the app is significant. I would not recommend using the app at all. As I mentioned earlier, if you are starting on a budget, this camera can be part of your starter kit, and you can upgrade later. These are some videos I took with the action camera. The camera has quite few features. It can record from 720p 120 frames per second to 4K 15 frames per second. And it has a time-lapse intervals from 1 second to 300 seconds. Aperture 2.8. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0. It can be mounted wherever you want using a fitted mount. By the way, I'm using a Smart 3 double suction cup mount, another budget item that can be helpful for your videos. It is very sturdy and the suction cups stick very well. You can check the link in the description below. You can notice some vibration in the video. It's just because of the car moving. If you're holding it without any jerky move, you will definitely have some good shots. So why should you buy this camera? First, it's affordable. For a $20 action camera, it does the job. Second, it shoots 4K. you can get a good quality image. Third, it comes with the basic accessories. You don't have to spend extra money. And again, it's a budget camera. It costs only $20. If you find value to this video, please like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.